your toe. You got your Band-Aid on your toe. They pricked your toe for some blood? I know. Oh, you're okay. I know. Come here. Let mommy fix it. Come on. Come here. Let mommy fix it. Oh, let me see. Let me see. Oh, no. They put the Band-Aid on there? They put the Band-Aid on your toe? It's okay. You're a big girl. You did good. You did so good. Don't take it off. Don't take it off. You gotta leave the Band-Aid on there. Be careful. You don't want to fall. Come here. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Oh, no. Let me see. Let me see. Let me touch. Does that hurt? Is it okay? What if I touch it like this? Does that hurt? Oh no. Don't take it off. Here, come here. Come sit on mommy's lap.